Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Krzysztof Kabaczynski. I'm working for the company BeOptimized. And in this presentation I'm going to generate dynamically some SAS exercises thanks to ChatGPT. More precisely, I'm going to use Jeff. Jeff is a fast API application that I created before. Feel free to visit the website in order to see how I did that. And Jeff, for this small demonstration, will use ChatGPT behind the scenes. To introduce the example, as you probably know, on the SAS coaching activities, I have a tips and tricks catalog that I'm using to deliver some coach. All the coach are grouped by categories, but when you click one of them, you find a summary of the coaching plus some keywords. All the keywords here are also available in Excel. More precisely, for the story, I'm generating the web pages dynamically thanks to this Excel spreadsheets and some VBA. Okay. I have here all my keywords on a spreadsheet. So the idea now is to import this spreadsheet into SAS. I can close it. I can export it into SAS. So here I have open SAS. I'm importing the spreadsheet. Course master, and the spreadsheet contains the titles and the keywords. I'm selecting the good variables and the good records in order to extract only the current courses. And then I have a big macro program. And this macro program contains several macro variables, and one of them contains the URL to query Jeff, which is my API created a couple of days ago. And as I explained last time, my API contains the URL and some parameters. And in the parameters, I have to specify the question I want to use for the model. I specify which model I want to use, the temperature, the context, the persona, and so on and so on. So here for the story, persona number 18, that's a person which generates some exercises. And model 1 is ChatGPT 5. So when I call my API, I can call this API thanks to SAS, thanks to proc HTTP. That's the URL is this macro variable. And in order to extract the result of the API, I can use a lim name with JSON. Like this, the result will be saved into a table, and on the basis of this table, I will generate my SAS exercise. Finally, in order to loop on all the titles, I'm using a data step with a do sub. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look first with only one exercise. Run. Hop. The exercises will be saved into exercises. Well, let's have a look. Hop. Hop. Now it's empty. That's normal because ChatGPT has to generate the exercises on the fly. So we maybe have to wait a couple of seconds. Let me check again. Still running. Hop. Let's have a look. Alors, does it work? I'm not sure. Up. Still running. Yes, terminate. Data step in nutshell. Let me show you. Yep. Hop. Super. So, I have here exercises for the course SAS data step in nutshell. I have here the list of all the keywords generated by Jeff the 14th November and the list of exercises. So every time I have a question and then I have the answer. And as you can see, the quality is not bad at all. Huh? Super, huh? Cool, huh? Alors, you can now go back on SAS. Just to show you here what we have behind. So here that will be a flat file, but here that will be a JSON file. I can maybe show you the my JSON library. Let's have a look to the my JSON. It was already closed. Okay, sorry. So here I can maybe have a look to the result table. Chook, chook, chook. Result. Okay, so here on this table we can see the question, the model is ChatGPT, the context, you are a nice AI agent, okay, you are, it's written in French, but okay, you are a friend, you are a SAS professor and would like to make some exercises for your students on the basis on the keyword seen in the course. Can you please make me a series of 10 exercises, 10 of progressive exercises and 10 synthetic exercises on the basis of SASHELP.CARS. And here we have the answer. Super, huh? If you don't believe me, I can maybe try over exercises. Let me have a look here. ProxyQL is number 3. ProxyQL and the function number 7. 3 and 7. Hop. And run. Not necessary to rerun everything because the macro is already compiled. So now, let's have a look. I can come back here just to see again the answer. Hop. So here we have exercises on the format. We are using the keep keyword, the format keyword, the drop statement, the subsetting if, the length, the strip, select when. The quality is not bad at all. Okay, you cannot send it like this to the student. You still have to review everything, but the quality itself is not too bad. Not too bad. Let's have a look on the ProxyQL. What's the result here? ProxyQL here. Basic create table. Create table with where, order by, that's a create view, sorry, create view. Create table with some functions, some format, that's a real SAS SQL. So that's the mean, the format, the label, the group by having. Here we have also the title, we have a small where containing an expression. We have here the like keywords, insert into, the not in. Great, huh? Great, huh? And also every time you have question, answer, so quality is not bad. Let's have a look on the function. Here it's not so nice, but okay. Here we have the scan function, the substr, the length, the count word, the cat t, the cat x, the cat s, the cat q, the train word, the compress, the semis. That's wonderful, huh? A prop case, a compress, a sum using variable list, int cq, int ck, round. So, okay, that's it. Just wanted to show you that wonderful thing. Thank you a lot. Bye bye.